Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own custom emoji on your iPhone on iOS 18. So let's get started. So in order to do that, it's going to be really simple and easy to do. First thing, you do need to update your iPhone to iOS 18.2 or newer. So if you haven't updated, go into your settings, general, software update, and make sure it's updated to at least to 18.2 or newer. Now, other thing with this update is that you have to have Apple Intelligent turned on. So in your setting, you have to click on Apple Intelligent and make sure it's turned on. And this is only applicable in the new iPhone 16 lineup and the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. So if you don't have a compatible device, you're not going to be able to do this. Now, once you have those requirements, all you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up Messages as an example, and then click on it. And once you do that, it doesn't have to be message, it could be anywhere. Basically, we want the keyboard so we can access the emojis here. And you'll see a new section in your keyboard that says describe an emoji, and all you're going to do is tap on it here, and you can pretty much use a few words or phrase that describes the idea for emoji that you have, and it will generate it for you. So if I put cat on the moon as an example, so cat on the moon, right? Let's just make a silly one. Now you can make it more descriptive to get the best idea, and once you use that, you'll see here there's some generated images that they're going to generate for you, the emoji that you can use. So if you like one, right, you can see here you can add it on, and you have your own custom one just like that, and you can play around with it, and then it will get added here to your board here, and then you can go ahead and see that's been also added, so you can reuse this every time. And these are the ones I have generated. Now this is still square for some reason. I'm assuming in the future it'll probably be similar to the other one, but you can use this to generate some more of your own custom emoji that aren't available on here, so you can send it to your friends and family and share it as well. But that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. Also, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.